Hi students, today I am going to discuss about 8th standard science subject lesson 3 light. Light is a form of energy and it travels in a straight line. In this lesson we have studied about mirrors. We use mirrors in our daily life for various purposes. The mirror is an optical device with the polished surface that reflects the light falling on it. A typical mirror is a glass sheet. It contains with aluminium or silver. So mirror have a plane or curved surface. Mirror has two types, plane or curved surface. The plane mirror is a form of the perfect image on the object. The plane mirror is a form the perfect image of an object. The curved mirror is a produce the images that are enlarged or diminished. The curved mirror image that are enlarged or diminished. In the curved mirror they have four types: spherical mirror, cylindrical mirror, parabolic mirrors and ellipsoid mirrors. Let us see about the spherical mirrors. Let us see the topic spherical mirrors. The spherical mirrors are one form of the curved mirrors. So if the curved mirrors is a part of the sphere, so it is called as spherical mirrors. One side of the mirror is silvered and then other side is the reflecting of a light. Okay. They have two types of spherical mirrors, concave mirrors and convex mirrors. Concave mirrors and convex mirrors. In this the reflecting surface is the concave mirrors. Then other side, this is for the reflecting surface. In this mirror is called as convex mirrors. So this is the concave mirrors. This is the convex mirrors. Once again, concave mirror, a spherical mirror in which the reflection of light occurs at its concave surface. This is known as concave mirror. In this mirrors, magnify the object placed close to them. Okay. In this spoon, this is the example for that. In this reflecting surface, it is called as concave mirrors. For example, daily use of then makeup mirrors. Next one, convex mirrors. This is the picture of convex mirrors. In this spoon, then other side, this is the reflecting surface. In this side is called as convex mirrors. So spherical mirror in which the reflection of light occurs at its convex surface. So the image formed by the mirrors is smaller than the object. This is known as convex mirrors. The convex mirrors is the example for rear viewing mirrors used in vehicles. Once again, the convex mirror, the image formed by this mirror is smaller than the object. Most common the convex mirror used in vehicles. Next one, a parabolic mirror. A parabolic mirror which is in the shape of a parabola. This is a shape of the parabola. It is one type of curved mirror. It has a concave reflecting surface and this surface directs the entire incident beam of light to converge at its focal point. This is the real life parabolic mirrors. It is an example for that. The parabolic mirrors, the light rays generated by the source placed at the focal point will fall on this surface and they will be diverged in a direction which is parallel to the principal axis of the parabolic mirrors. So, the light rays will be reflected to travel a long distance without getting diminished. That is known as parabolic mirrors. The parabolic mirrors also known as parabolic reflectors. Parabolic reflectors. The parabolic reflectors are used to collect or project light energy, heat energy, sound energy and radio waves. The parabolic mirrors also known as parabolic reflectors. Parabolic reflectors. The parabolic reflectors are used to collect or project the light energy, heat energy and sound energy and then radio waves. Radio waves. They are used in reflecting telescopes, radio telescopes and parabolic microphones. And another one used in solar cookers and solar water heaters. These are used in parabolic mirrors. Once again, the parabolic mirrors are used to collect or project light energy, heat energy, sound energy and radio waves. Radio waves. The parabolic mirrors are used in reflecting telescopes, radio telescopes and parabolic microphones. So they are also used in solar cookers and solar water heaters. The parabolic mirrors were first constructed in Heinrich Hertz. Heinrich Hertz. Heinrich Hertz. He is a German physicist in the form of reflector antennae in the year 1888. The year 1888. The parabolic mirror were constructed by Heinrich Hertz. He is a German physicist in the form of reflector antennae in the year 1888. Once again, today's topic, mirrors. Mirrors have two types, plane mirrors and curved mirrors. The curved mirrors, they have four types: spherical mirrors, cylindrical mirror, parabolic mirror and ellipsoid mirror. And spherical mirrors have two types, concave mirror and convex mirrors. I hope all are understood today's topic. Thank you for listening, students.